All right, guys, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I got a 17 Lexus RX 350 for you guys. This is a trade-in at the Lexus store for a new Lexus. It's got 56,000 miles. It's a decent RX, but she's a little rough around the edges. We've got some body damage here. Look where we took a little bump. We are completely nasty. Needs a bath. Looks like she's been sitting under the tree back behind service. But we do have a new set of Goodyear tires on her. She does only have 56,000 miles. The only thing is I've got some maintenance lights on for some alphabet I don't understand. I don't know if that front little bump on the front bumper has messed up some of the driving sensors or what. I love this two-tone chocolate tan interior. That's what this one is. Really nice. Yeah, this one, they didn't put this one through cleanup. I mean, they just brought it straight in. Paperwork and all in here. Seats aren't torn up, but she does only have 56,000 miles, so she hasn't had time to be trashed yet. ICS malfunction. Visit your dealer. Now, I don't know what ICS is, and I've got a little triangle, and I've got an RCTA and a BSM, so I'm not real sure what those mean. Parking brake. Oh, I've been driving with the parking brake on, so let's turn that off. Beautiful car though. I mean, just needs some cleanup. Got a key. Tennessee Lexus trade-in sheet down there at the bottom. Got heated and cooled seats. I got the cooled seats going. Got the sunroof. Rear seat's pretty clean. This is not a 3-row. This is just a regular 2-row. But what we're going to do is we're going to see what this sells for at auction tomorrow morning, and then I'll post the sales number of what she brought. If I had to guess on one of these, 2017, this is pretty low miles for a 17. I'm gonna guess she's gonna bring probably 20 to 23,000. That's just my guess. I guess it just depends on what this service ICS means, if that's a big deal or not. It could mean absolutely nothing. Please check Lexus Park Assist. Please have your vehicle checked by dealer. And it's got, at all 6 sensors, it's got a warning symbol. So yeah, I think that little bit of bumper damage up on the front may be what has triggered this warning. I bet, possibly. And you know, that's kind of the problem with all these new cars, with all this, you know, park assist and front cameras and, you know, emergency braking and all that. If you have a slightest little fender bender, you throw all that crap off. Oh yeah, very quick, very nice. Yeah, you ruin all that stuff when you have a little minor fender bender. Girl across the street from me has a 2025 Porsche Macan. She just bought it a couple of months ago. She said it has 5,000 miles. And she was hit on her rear driver's corner, the bumper. And all it did was pop the tabs out of the bumper and rub the paint off. Now that's what I could see with my eyes. And that's all she can see with her eyes. And she told me she took it to the dealership, or the collision center, and there's only a couple of places around Atlanta that fixes the Porsches. And she took it there, and they quoted her $22,000 to fix what me and her and the person that hit her thought was just going to be a rear bumper repair. But no, we've got broken plastics and a warped exhaust system. Because that little Macan has dual exhaust, and the pipes are out near the corners of the rear. Yeah, we've got $22,000 worth of damage. She said her car is smoking when she drives it now. And what it is, some of the plastic underneath the car is now touching the exhaust, running underneath the car to the engine, and that plastic is melting. So yeah, she's got smoke coming out from under her car. And like I said, just a small little boo-boo on the rear bumper. No fender damage, no metal damage. She's got all her parking sensor warnings going off. Errors galore on the dash. I mean, it's crazy. So I'm glad I own my 06 LS430. Let's just say that. That's just right. I wish it had that entertainment screen. but that's it. That's it. So anyway, 017 RX 350, not an L, just a regular wheelbase, 56,000 low miles. Gonna need just a little bit of work. Get these sensors straightened out, and I bet $10 again. Like I said, it has something to do with the little bit of damage on the front bumper, because I can see the port collision light is flickering on and off. So, but hey, the rest of this car is great, man. Cold air, freezing seat. I don't want to get out of it. Runs good. Man, it runs good. Yeah, this one, I see it's been serviced at the Lexus dealership, so that's good to know. Who knows? It might be a good buy for somebody. It really may be with the low miles. So, like, comment, subscribe. We will see you guys with the next one. Peace.